Hi makers, it's Charlotte with Makesy. Looking to save money on your candle wax? Cue the answer. Meet our new Pure Palm Paraffin Wax, our most affordable wax blend ever. Not only is this wax our most affordable wax blend, but it's full of awesome benefits that you're going to love. This wax is made from food-grade paraffin and sustainably sourced palm. All of our palm is RSPO certified. It's a nice bright white wax with a mix and pour temp of 150 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This wax is vegan, non-toxic, clean burning, made in the USA, and super easy to use. It has a glossy appearance and contains a heat-protecting antioxidant to help maintain this beautiful white color over time. When using this wax, you can use up to a 10% fragrance load. That means for your entire formula, 90% wax, 10% fragrance. 8 to 10% is a great amount of fragrance for any first-time or long-time candle makers. Now, if you're concerned about using paraffin wax, I'd like to share with you an awesome study performed by the National Candle Association. This study tested beeswax, soy wax, palm wax, and paraffin wax side by side and tested the amount of emissions created by each type of wax in a burning candle. The great news? Every wax performed almost identically, and each of them was far below what would be considered a human health hazard. So if you're looking for an affordable wax that's high performing and made from clean ingredients, Pure Palm Paraffin is the one for you. If you're making candles and you're looking for a way to reduce your cost, evaluating each item that makes up your candle or your cost of goods sold is a great way to identify how to increase your profit. Wax can be an area that not all consumers care about. So if you're looking to reduce your price point or you're looking to increase your profit, wax is a great place to target. The Pure Palm Paraffin Wax is still a single pour wax, meaning you're not going to spend time going back over it, fixing issues with the wax. It's going to continue to look glossy and white burn after burn. Utilizing this wax is a great way to bring your costs down, especially if you're looking to scale your business. We can't wait to hear what you think of this wax. Head to Makesy.com to check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Now go make it happen.